What is good, YouTube? Back with another video. It's been a while since I made a video. Today I got my punching bag right here. We're in the garage. I got this from Dick's Sporting Goods. It's the wood beam attachment, and I don't think there's a video.
You crazy?
So yeah, you just need the drill bit, impact driver, and a strong beam. You gotta make sure you have a strong beam. Okay, so for today, we are re-drilling new pilot holes, and hopefully we can get this bag hung today. So let's get into it. One thing I forgot to tell you guys that I also got at the Ace Hardware store was the 5/16 lag screws. I think the ones that came with the box was kind of cheap, so got some new ones. So yeah, let's drill these holes and let's do it. Just to let you guys know, I am using a 1/4 drill bit for the pilot hole. You know, safety glasses, safety first as always. I'm about to get the bracket, and let's see what we can do. This is where I messed up the first 2 times. Ignore that. Got them in flush. It's not moving. Like, it's not moving. So that's good. Is this supposed to be moving? Okay, so with this piece right here, it's supposed to be tight. I read the directions this time. It says it's supposed to be tight. So it's not moving anymore. So what I did is I was like, I'm not trying to take these out and maybe have to re-drill the holes and stuff. So what I did, I got these, held that, tightened it. Yeah, it's nice and tight now. That's not moving. So yeah, so now I gotta put this back together and put the chain back in, and we're gonna pick it up from there. Okay, wrapping up this video. Got the hanger up there, looking good. Wrap the chain around once. Preference, depending on how tall you are and how tall the beam is. It's totally up to you. Looking good there. I got these 2 beam supports right here, one in the middle right here, and then one on this side, going straight down to the floor on both sides. And all right, you guys, that is about it. We're gonna wrap this video right here. I hope this helped. I know at first I was like, bro, how are we gonna do this? But yeah, we got it to work. If you have any questions, write them down in the comment section. I'll get to you as soon as possible. Yeah, and good luck out there. The boxing, maybe training, different form of cardio. I don't know what your goals are for it, but go do it. You got it. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.